And Coach Oben, Arellano. So, high school to yung size. High school. So, paano natin, buo na yung team mo no? O binuo mo lang ngayon muna?
Ang members po din yung
Puro ba? Binuo ka buo lang. So, paano mo nabuo and how ready they are?
Una po meron kami na competition sa last June. So, ngayon, kami ulit yung pagkakataon ng shades o na pag-play dito. So, yung preparation namin ngayon, medyo maganda na kahit bago. Kaya, nagpapasalamat po kami sa shades at sa isa. Then, every time na meron silang competition na ilan pa
So, at least, nakita mo na sila sa isang tournament, yung team mo ngayon.
Oo.
Another one.
Medyo maganda na. Maganda na sa mga.
Okay, maganda na sa mga. Si Coach Wata. Coach, yung team nyo, bagong buo, dati na, paano mo binuo ito?
Well, good morning po sa especially yung puro bago sila.
Puro bago
Yes
din.
po.
Paano recruitment nyo ngayon dito? Manila lang muna ba to? Mga high school
Yes po. Manila po.
So, paano mo pinaganda to? Ilan nag-training na kayo ng matagal?
Well, 3 months pa rin po.
3 months?
Pero mas skilled naman yung mga players, so kahit pa paano, hindi na masyadong nihirapan. And then kahit pa paano din po, meron din kami sila yung mga liga para magkaroon sila ng chemistry.
So, first organized league nyo ito, itong nabuong team na ito.
Yes.
Yan. Okay, thank you po. So, partner, follow up.
Yes, Doc Ian, how do you see the competition in this, the very first Invitational International Tournament of the Shakey Super League? Calibre ng mga local teams as against the, the visitors.
Yeah, with regards to the high school division, let's talk about that first. The club teams coming in from California and Guam, most of them are familiar already with how the level of competition is sa high school division. They know about the teams that are competing. So I'm pretty sure na naghanda sila kung sino yung mga ipapadala nila. Another added motivation for these teams is, like what I said, alam nila kung gaano kalaki yung volleyball dito. They will be going through a campus tour. Kasi yung iba who cannot probably be recruited in the Division 1 of the NCAA to get a scholarship in college sa United States, they are interested to play over here. So you might see coaches from the different colleges do their scouting and try to look at the talent that these teams will be bringing over. Kasi I think out of the 14, maybe 10 are Phil Americans and 4 are pure Americans. So it's a good mix of these players.
Yung dalawang teams na yun.
Yes, yung sa Guam I think is puro Guamanians, Phil Guamanian.
Chamorro and Philippines.
Yes. So when we were talking and discussing, they wanted to do a campus tour among the different universities para magkaroon ng idea yung parents. That's why also the parents, ang ganda pala ng high school kasi mga bata nga may kasamang lolo, lola, mommy, daddy. So I guess that's where the tourism angle comes in. No?
Nagbalikbayan yung iba.
Nagbalikbayan yung iba. Timing kasi it's summer there. So I think that's one consideration that we have to keep in mind. We have to be also aware of when they are able to fly in and stay for about 2 weeks and enjoy their vacation as well.
How about in college division?
College division is different kasi Vietnam is also a Southeast Asian country. Australia, they also know how big volleyball is, so they're sending a strong team as well. So malamang yan, maganda rin yung laban. Yung Australian team, when we were doing our coordination, ang bilis. They wanted this team is coming from Victoria.
Yeah.
Victoria. Sydney wanted to bring in a team. Melbourne wanted to bring in a team, pero hindi kulang yung preparation nila kasi ayaw nila mapahiya na magpapadala lang ng siguro hindi ganun kalakas. So Victoria was able to form a strong team and yun yung dadali nila dito. So for next year, we're preparing early kasi there's a lot of interest na from Japan, from Malaysia, and Thailand wanting to come over for this competition.
So start na talaga to ng international.
We hope, yes, we hope.
Shiki Super League. Yes, Coach Wata, yeah, from Ateneo, ano po, Pusong Asul, ano? Ano bang history ng participation nyo dito para makita lang natin kung ano yung magiging goal nyo come this invitational?
Well, actually po first time lang po talaga kami sa Manay. Dito sa Super League. And then hindi po kami nakasali last ng weekend because of some issues. Well, nagpe-prepare naman po talaga kami kasi and syempre one of the most prestigious league for girls, not only for girls but also for religion. So, probably maganda rin yung mga players even though hindi mas parang
Si Coach Obet, ang alam ko, ang team mo nagbabalik din lang dito, wala kayo last conference. So ano po yung ano nyo, yung goal nyo, ano yung chance nyo kaya this invitational?
Siguro po yung makakaya namin yung last na namin kasi last time ako siya pinatagawin.
Quarterfinals last time.
Siguro yung nasa yung last na Chile. Siguro yun ang po muna. Kaya natin mo salita. Pero yung ginagawa naman ko lang yung sa liga, sa siyempre, sa school mo.
Yes, Arellano. Okay.
Questions?
Yes, question, Bong.